Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can create unique borders in Canva. If you guys start off the same old basic squares, here I'm going to show you how the hidden tricks to make your content stand out by creating a unique border or custom border just for you. Now what you need to do is just open your Canva and then head into apps in here, and then find the apps called Canva Border. This one here is the apps that you need to use. You can create border for your design. Click on open. Now you need to choose the border type, whether it's solid just like this or dashed, and after that you can adjust the border color, the margin, thickness, the dash gap if you choose the dash border. And there's also the advanced settings. You can adjust the aspect ratio. Here I'm going to adjust the thickness first, and the gap I'm going to make it 20, and here the aspect ratio I'm going to go with 16:9. And here you can also adjust the corner roundness and adjust the blur if needed. If you're done with the adjustment, you can just click on add to design, and just like that the border will be added to your design automatically. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in another Canva tutorials.